up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Been a little busy, actually a lot of busy, but we're still getting a lot of stuff done for the channel and all my wonderful cars. I just got that FRS. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I like it. I gotta get it titled. I've been so busy, but we're getting more EVO content today. You guys saw me install the EVO 9 OEM SE lip. What a beautiful piece. Here it is right there. It's in the OEM Wicked White currently. I do have the car running. It's a really hot day, it has the AC on. It's blowing ice cold. Oh, that feels good. But what we're doing is we're getting rid of this car. Just like the title says. We're actually getting rid of this car already. I'm just kidding. We're dropping it off that paint. So we did the EVO 9 JDM bumper. I just wanted to go over the car and explain what it looks like now and then what it's gonna look like when it's done from paint and all the things. Like I said, JDM EVO 9, is this an MR bumper or just the EVO 8 or EVO 9 bumper? I'm not sure, but it looks really, really good. It is all OEM polyurethane. It does have a part number, it's pretty cool. That is not like any aftermarket thing. This is just more polyurethane. If you didn't know that, it's just polyurethane, the whole thing is. I did the license plate, and then I did get the third brake light cover. The OEM exhaust kind of sticks out a little bit. I haven't ordered an exhaust yet, but I'm going to. And then the whole whole car is getting painted. So I don't know if you guys know this, but the whole EVO 9 is gonna get painted. We're gonna be doing Rally Red, the OEM factory color. So what I do is I come over here, I get my VIN, I get the VIN number right there, and then I bring that to my painter, and then he buys OEM paint that matches the VIN of my car and then gets it painted, and it looks really, really good. Now, the reason I do this and I don't go with different colors is because the door jambs and the engine bay are already Rally Red. I don't want a Rally Red engine bay and then like an orange car. That's horrible looking, or a blue car with red engine bay. That doesn't look good. So for me, if I buy the car and it's red, and it needs to be painted, I'm okay with that. But I'm not gonna buy like a blue car and then paint it red. I just won't do that. I would buy like a black car and then paint it red, because then the engine bay would be black, and that's okay. But I specifically like to keep the OEM colors. But with these old Japanese cars that I have, all the paint always goes pretty south on them pretty quick, like 10 years. This is like, how old is this car? 2006, so I don't know how many years is that. What is that, 18 years? Yeah, 18-year-old car. So the paint, you know, has gone bad. They usually don't last more than 10 years. Kind of sucks. But I want to go over and tell you all the colors that we're going to do on how it's going to look when we're done getting it painted. So from the front, the whole front will be all Rally Red. Rally Red, Rally Red, Rally Red. I will get mesh in front there, and then I'll get a new intercooler. I do already have engine charge pipes, which we'll be doing a video for that. I will probably be getting the darker lights. Correct me if these, I don't think these are the darkest ones. This will be Rally Red, Rally Red. There is a dent right here. This is gonna get pulled. And then this is gonna be Rally Red, and then the black is gonna be the Mitsubishi, I don't know if it's called Phantom Black or whatever it is, but the roof will be that black. So this is gonna be painted gloss black, very similar to the MR wheels. It'll look like that. So I'll have the black and red accents. That'll look really, really good. I will be getting the OEM clips here for the rain guards. I don't know what these are. What are these trim pieces, a trim. There is been pushed in on the hood right here, so I'm gonna have them pop that out. I don't know if you guys can see that in camera. Can you see it in camera? Yeah, right here. It's right here. It needs to be pulled. Rally Red, Rally Red, Rally Red, Rally Red, re-clear coated on this wing, really re-clear coated. Rally Red, Rally Red, and then that same black will be from here, this line, and then down. So that there'll be a line there, and that will be all painted in the gloss black, including the brake cover, or the tow hook cover. So that being said, I'm very excited. This car will be flawless. This car will be a show car. You guys will, everyone will want this car. It'll be amazing. I want this car. I love this car. Once we get this done, I got a ton of projects. After that, I can't wait to lower the car. That's gonna be a big deal for me. And again, this is supposed to be my winter beater, but I don't know if it will be. Maybe the FRS will. That'd be kind of fun. Put some snow tires on there. But let's get the car and head over to my painter, and then say, you know, one more goodbye to this, and do a little boost, a couple pulls before we drop it off. Oh man, this car's awesome. Woo! Gosh, that is so fast. All right, we made it to Clayton's. One last look at this, and we'll say goodbye to it. just so you guys remember. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, so that's it. JDM. It's gonna be so good. Of course, when I get all this done, I'm gonna get it the glass tinted. I'll do like a 15% all the way around. But yeah, this is so shot. Just remember all this. This is gonna be a good video to look back on and be like, oh my gosh, look how far it came. Especially with the white, that's funny. That is so funny. All right, like always, make sure to like, subscribe. Got the Tundra. See you guys in the next video.